Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss excessive blood fat, debris in blood. The excessive fat debris in blood health is marked by the balance of metabolism in the human body, and the metabolism of blood fat is a very important link. If metabolism of blood fat is imbalanced, the intake of cholesterol and triglyceride is larger than their discharge. It will lead to the disorder in blood fat metabolism, which is commonly called hyperlipemia. An important factor affecting blood fat metabolism is the change of the nature of blood. That is, blood is polluted by toxin. The first manifestation of blood pollution is that blood becomes acidic. In an acidic environment, if fat substances cannot be broken down, they will suspend on or attach to the walls of blood vessels, resulting in hyperlipemia and making the walls of blood vessels thick and lumen narrow, further leading to arteriosclerosis, obstruction of microcirculation, and insufficiency of blood supply. With the blood becoming acid, substances attached to the walls of blood vessels are more than blood fat. Red blood cells, blood platelets, toxin, and germs are apt to be attached to the walls of blood vessels. With the blood becoming acid, blood fat and blood sugar will increase. Blood will become thicker and thicker, and blood flow will become slower and slower, adding burden to the heart and giving rise to high blood pressure. Scraping can purify blood. The appearance and disappearance of Sha by way of scraping serves to purify blood. This is because blood circulation at the far end, peripheral circulation, is the slowest and the blood vessels there is the finest. Apt to form precipitation, stasis, and blockage, scraping serves to direct stimulate this part. In addition to expelling toxin in blood, scraping can also whether blood is toxic or thick. Fast appearance of Sha, a short time of scraping with minor force, indicates that blood is thick. Slow appearance of Sha, a long time of scraping with big force, indicates that blood is sticky. If there is almost no appearance of Sha, it means that blood is very sticky, and that cupping applied to this part will show black freckles. The appearance of black freckles all over after cupping indicates very sticky blood. Those with these symptom are patients of hyperlipemia. In the figure, Sha brought about by the scraping helps to judge one's blood circulation. Thank you for your attention.